Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, hope you're enjoying the playlist so far. And today's topic is all about the software engineering layers, and it is brought to you by Charan. And in this video, we're gonna learn what are the layers available in the software engineering and significance of software engineering and technology-based software engineering. Okay, let us kickstart this video. In the first point, I have mentioned that the title reference that layers of software engineering, right? As a title has been giving a clue that is a software engineering is a layered based technology. Okay, here the process takes place layer by layer, layer by layer, layer by layer. Okay, don't jump between the layers because this is a continuous, sequential, step by step process, and it starts with the bottommost layer, okay, and it ends up with the topmost layer. So process takes place like a pyramid. Okay, first we have been building the first bottom layer, and it's gonna upgrade to the till the topmost layer. So topmost layer, and every layer has its own significance. Here the different actions will be performing in the different layers. So it has got every layer has got its own significance, as it mentioned. And these are different layers available in the software engineering. As the first refers to that, I said before, the process takes place from a bottommost layer. So the software quality is gonna be a primary thing in this layers, software quality. So quality focus is main thing to be maintained in the topmost, and process methods tools, these are layers in the software engineering. Each and every layer has its own significance. Let's take a look at its actions explained in the different layers. As the first thing I mentioned, as it is a very important in the before slide, because this is a area which rates your project. Okay, how mature is your project? Yeah, this is a layer which defines all the things. And I mentioned here like continuous process, because this is not a process which is gonna done in one night or overnight. Okay, this is gonna be very continuous development, continued improvisation, and which finally results in mature project. Okay, this has to be done continuously in long extent. Okay, and it is an important parameter, because this is the parameter which is going to define your project, how well it is going to work out. Okay, and process is like a roadmap to your project, because here this is a layer which explains how the project has gonna work out, how the project has its progress, and what are the steps involved in this process. And different projects has a different process models, because it differs with your project, and how your project is been, whether your project is small or large, or different situations, and what type of what part of your team has been strong, what type of team has been weak, and all these situations are going to be mentioned in different process models. So I'll be explaining all the process models in the further videos. And when you go on to the methods, this involves like a what to say, that requirement analysis and constructions, designs, communication, and testing, coding, all the things will be involved in this method. And it is the longest layer in the software engineering, because this is a time taking process. And when you skip to tools, this is the these tools are the one which provides automated or semi-automated tools support for the project, and connecting between the tools, which gives you help with connecting between the tools, okay, which provides a communication between the tools, and hence your project will be running very successful. And this is the layer which you will be combining the both software and the hardware. Okay, it is a process will be combining the software, because a project isn't gonna work out only on software. You have to take a help of the hardware to make an efficient one. Okay, that's it for this video. And the next video I'll be explaining the characteristics of softwares and hardwares and the comparison between the software and hardwares. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.